Hello. Yeah, getting good at those.
Man, he just scares you guys. He's like, he'll come out of nowhere and he's like, oh, what's up? How you guys doing?
Welcome
What's up?
to the wonderful city of
Ljubljana.
And today
we're gonna take you on a historical walk. No, we're not.
we're just gonna walk. We're gonna go do some shit. Really, we're gonna do a bar crawl as usual. So
Yep.
we're gonna prep for that, and then after that, we're gonna
Who
pass
knows?
out.
We're probably gonna pass out. Yeah.
And we're in Ljubljana for 2 days. So today we're just gonna show you a little bit of what it looks like, what the nightlife looks like tomorrow. We'll wait to see.
Yeah. So you have to come with us and figure it out.
Yeah. So, I think it's impossible to find a route of discovery while you're in Ljubljana. It's like so many directions you can go. It's really easy to get lost, and it's hard to get back on track. If you come here, yeah. So it's if you see us, man, which I doubt, we have 100 and something subscribers.
Yeah.
But if you see us, say what's up. We'll share the love. We'll put you on camera. We'll shout you out.
Yeah.
You'll be famous.
Yeah. With our 100 subscribers, you'll be super famous.
But on that note,
Anyway.
it really goes a long way if you guys like,
Ooh.
share, and subscribe to the video.
Yeah, it does
We
help.
work really hard to get these out to you guys. So if you wouldn't mind, pretty please.
Pretty
Do it for
please.
her. That means a lot. Thank you. I hope. What's up, everybody? We're out here in Ljubljana, day number 2. Coming back for you. What you gonna do? Me and my crew.
And his.
Ooh, and my boo. True.
We're so
Okay.
dumb. We can't rhyme. Anyway.
Alright, so today what we're gonna do is we have an action-packed day, kind of. So we just had breakfast. We're about to go to the gym because that's what we do. We got plans to tour the town. So we're gonna figure out a good route for us to get you some more sightseeing, so you can know exactly what Ljubljana is actually like. Then she's gonna go tan. I'm gonna go get a haircut because we're trying to get ready for Ultra Music Festival. In the process, what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch the soccer games. The soccer games are gonna be really nice. The Euro Cup is currently going on.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do a bar crawl tonight.
We're gonna go party and get shit-faced, pretty much.
Shit-faced. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan.
So right over here, you got the middle of it all. There's that random rain square circle right there. And it's a Tuesday, right, baby? It's
Yeah, I
Tuesday
think
afternoon
so.
here in Ljubljana. So we're gonna walk the alleyways and see what's good. Galeria Emporium, you got that right there. There's nothing good right now, so
There's nothing good going on.
whenever we find some shit, we'll tell you.
If there is somewhere that you guys want us to check out, please drop it in the comments. Who knows?
Wait, there's a fucking escape room. I think we might check it out.
Okay. Oh, we need to go in here actually. For
Yeah.
souvenirs.
Okay,
I mean,
escape room. Ready? Let's see how much it costs. Let's go. Okay, so lucky for us, because Lord knows if we were in an escape room,
We wouldn't get out.
We'd probably die of starvation. It's closed. So yay for us, that's a win.
I think it would be a really bad idea because, well, normally even just finding directions I'm terrible at, so I wouldn't be a good help to him.
That's all right.
Like literally, I'd be like, what? So we wouldn't get out. We would be fucked.
Yeah,
We would be so fucked.
I'd probably leave her just for the laughs.
No, and I can't
figure it out on my own,
open
and close the
doors
door.
either. Like I'm like really bad at opening doors.
She's done.
Well, he opens all my doors anyway, but we would be screwed.
There's another escape room. We can't escape the escape
We
rooms.
can't escape them. Yeah. You know, the language here too with Slovenia, the language here It sounds very much like it's romanticized. It's like, it sounds like Spanish almost. It definitely is a romance language. So,
Alright.
is the escape room open, baby?
We got lucky again.
Fuck,
We got lucky.
we got to escape it. We escaped the escape
I can
room.
read that shit.
Can you?
So,
Oh shit, you know, there he goes again with his, what is it, Russian? Or?
I have no idea.
Oh fuck,
No, I can
if
read
there
it.
is anything Cyrillic, he loves reading it. So if you want to throw, literally.
Some shit
Okay,
like that.
there we go. That's what it says. We are looking for shot glasses, so if you see a little souvenir shop.
All right, so if you want to know anything about prices while you come to Slovenia, the Airbnbs cost a lot, not gonna lie. And by a lot, it's like, you know, in the Balkans, which
Yeah.
I would recognize Slovenia as a Balkan
What was
state.
it, like 200 something?
About two some
That was like 264, I think.
shit.
Yeah.
Something like that,
For 2
260
days.
something for 2 days, which is a lot. But we stayed in the heart of downtown, which is probably the only place you'd want to stay anyways. That's for 2 nights, 260 something. Prices, I'm about to get a haircut, so maybe I'll update you there. They're not bad. They're not really expensive. So it's not like Sweden prices, Finland prices.
Sweden was really
Germany
pricey.
prices.
Yeah.
Like, it's actually, the more south you go, the cheaper it gets.
Yeah.
So it's pretty good. It's pretty like even kill, you know? It's like, oh, I understand
Yeah.
that price, you know? It's like
Right.
our breakfast.
Like the gym. Oh, you talked about the
Yeah.
breakfast.
How much our breakfast cost? Like $38
Yeah,
US?
for 2 people.
For 2 avocado toasts, a little stack of pancakes, 2 coffees. It's not bad.
Yeah, and then the
Price.
gym was 10 euros each. So it wasn't too bad either. So yeah, it's about 10 euros each.
10 euros per day.
Yeah.
So you're comfortable here. You're not gonna break a leg. You're not like that. But it's not like dirt cheap, I would
Right. So we're out here, Ljubljana.
say. And here we go.
And here we go. We're gonna go do a bar crawl tonight, go have some fun, check out the town, and yeah, we're gonna bring y'all with us.
Have no idea what to
No
expect.
fucking clue.
To be fair, it's a Tuesday night,
Mm-hmm.
right, in Ljubljana. In the middle of the summer, it's July. July 9th to be specific.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what you guys can expect if you ever come July 9th and any year that you want.
Yeah. So we're gonna take y'all with us, get into some fun, some trouble, whatever we do, and you'll
That's
see it
for
all.
sure.
Be able to hear, yeah? I can't hear good, you know? Okay, so you're gonna repeat after me. Beat, beat, pa, jebat. Jebat. Okay, now connect it.
Beat by Yaba.
Beat, pa,
Yaba. Beat by Yaba. One, two, beat by Yaba. Beat by Yaba.
Okay, again.
Beat by Yaba.
Again.
Beat by Yaba.
What is
More free drinks.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's what that means, right?
We have to do one more. We have to do one
More
more.
free
and
drinks.
a bit louder. Come on, come on. I can
All right, baby, get in with your
Beat
by Yaba.
two shots.
Yeah,
Two
two
shots.
shots.
Two shots.
Everybody shots.
Juice.
Everybody in the same time, yeah, we understand.
Yes, because we will cheer together.
Yeah, we will choose.
Beat by Yaba.
Again.
Beat by Yaba.
Okay, cheers. Beat by
Yaba. Cheers.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Chaque chanson.
Typical juice shot, right?
I'm not having
City Square on a Tuesday night, we getting lit. Here with my boy V. Let's go. V what? Videt? Videt. Making new friends with the homie Videt.
The rain comes down.
That's weird. I know they have little sprinklers up there. Turn on operating. I gotta tell what is operating. What is love? Not the man, cause I'm back. I'm under the regulating. I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your heart problem is complicated. So the LCC won't let me be, and let me, don't let me see. I'm trying to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on, man. Come on, run down.
everything.
Oh, she got it.
Fuck you, devil!
I
I have no idea what's going on. Hey. Oh! Hey! Oh!
So now, before we go,
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah,
Brother.
Brother.
Sit down.
Oh no! If
But
you are
be my,
Okay, one more time.
be my girl.
Pharaoh, I searching Pharaoh. Look at nobody coming to black man. Watch the corner, splatter. That ludicrous. Woo! The public bathroom, mama back in the classroom. However you want it. Look at it, gonna tear that asshole. That castle, our asshole. Get a tight grip in our castle. Slash them, get a tight grip in our slash them. Slash them, my little breather. Tell me what they're gonna see. Up on roof. Tell your boyfriend not be mad at me.
Stop there.
You make so good, I want to leave, and I got let know what's your next.
Take you from your head to your toes, and I wanna boom from the bed, down to the floor, and I wanna make it feel so good, I wanna leave, but I gotta let know what's your next to the
The backseat, they don't talk. That's the way they want to talk. That's the way that I like to surf. Legs turf, overwork, underpaid, don't be afraid. It's up my escalade. Yeah, I'm not to say. Big girls up thinking great. On the road. In the spoon. My chocolate making whips and chains. Make a little booty up with my best. Watch this on YouTube tonight.
Yeah,
you guys are gonna be on YouTube. Woo! Fucking YouTube. Subscribe to Stupid. I put it in the chat.